What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to edit or how to modify the featured image of your posts. So if you go to some site, for example, let me show you the visualmodel.com. If you see this post is right here, all of these are posts and these images came from the featured image. If you go to the blog on visualmodel.com, all of the images from these posts are featured images. So if you see images onto the gallery of your site, into any part of your site, probably the images are coming from the featured image. So how to edit this image, how to change those images, this is what you're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics not use internets on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is locate the post type that you would like to edit your image. For example, imagine that you want to edit the image from one of your blog posts. So review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse over posts and click on it. Then you're gonna need to select the post that you would like to edit the featured image. In my case, it's gonna be this post right here, the hello world. So click on it. Now review the right sidebar of menus. I cannot see the sidebar. Next to the update button, there is another button. This one right here, okay? Call it settings. We're gonna click on it. This gonna opens up the right sidebar of menus. Now we're gonna go to post, okay? And you scroll down. There is option visibility, publish, template, URL, format, category, tags, and if you scroll down, you can see featured image. Click on it on set featured image. Now it's gonna open your gallery. Right here you can upload a file from your computer, or you can select a previously uploaded file from your media library. I would like to make from this post the featured image to be this one right here. So I'm gonna select the image into my gallery and click on set featured image, okay? Review the bottom right corner of my screen. Click on it. Now this post have this featured image. All I have to do is click into the update button into the upper right corner of my screen. And now this post have a featured image. The same happens for pages. In the case you want to have a featured image for our page, go to pages from the left sidebar of menus, select one of the pages, go to page, scroll down and set featured image. The same process happens with your WooCommerce products, with custom post types like gallery, projects. The location is exactly the same, okay? So nothing much to worry about. Set and hit the update button. Simple, right? Every single post type can have featured images on WordPress. I have showed you the posts and pages, but remember, it can be done with products on WooCommerce, it can be done with projects, it can be done with galleries. Any custom post type must have a featured image. It's a good for SEO, good for visibility, and helps you to show a better designed site. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, or borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site, or Enzo free WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can start to customize your site in the way that you want, or growth.net platform, a platform where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts on your site, or sites.gallery, a place where you can promote your site, your app, your game. It's a CSS gallery that you can be awarded and get noted by the world. And in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodel.com, purchase the Visual Model Pass, and unlock full access to your entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click to have your site made into a couple of minutes. In addition, for premium WordPress themes, plugins, templates, tools, options, icons, images, and our full support doing your site. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!